hand down until I say.
Okay.
Down. Don't be doing this with your hands so much, okay? Step right to that cow's eye right now. Keep stepping up. Good. Step right to that cow's eye right there. Squeezing out. Don't be punching her with your feet. Just squeeze with your cow, okay? Good. Just wait on that cow. Just wait on it. Keep your hand up. You don't have all your cow out of the way here. Step up to that cow's eye. Step up to that cow's eye. There we go. Good. Keep your hand up until this other cow gets out of the way. Step right to that cow's eye right there. Fish. Put your hand down. Good. Put your hand down. Good. Good. Softer. Across the cow. Across the cow. Use your left foot and keep her up into that cow a little bit, okay? Push her with your left foot. Push her with your left foot. Now stop. Good. Now just sit there and wait, okay? Push up to that cow. Get ahead. Get there and stop the cow. There you go. Good. Pull it across.
Where did I come in quick?
All right. Let's do it again. I'll put you and cut you another one. Right?
I know. I know. I was leading forward again.
And you pull.
Yeah. You're right.
Now, when you go across that cow, just sit down and don't leave in your saddle and just push her. You know, because you're trying to kick her and it's making her pop up like that. There's this big mock-faced yellow cow.
Yeah.
Let's try for him, okay? Keep driving up right to that cow, that yellow cow's eye. Drive up to his eye. Up to his eye, don't put your hands in there. Okay, now put your hands up. Okay? Push her with your left foot. Keep her up into that cow a little bit. Push her with your left foot right now. Okay, just wait now. Push up to that cow. Wait. Push up, come on. Squeeze up with your feet. Squeeze her up there. Squeeze her up there with your feet. There you go.
Whoa. I almost gave off. Woo. Oh, boy. Sir, I think I'll be up here every weekend. Maybe I'll live on the doorstep.
Yep.
Okay, got another one. This little Hereford cow on the edge over here, he looks like he might have to move.
This one right here.
This one right here. Just trotting out there, just trot up there with him a little bit. Right to his eyes, drive him out. So he knows you're coming towards him. That's alright, go for it. Don't cut either one of these, he's going to go with this grip.
Slow cow, slow cow.
Yep, I'll get you one. This is going to move all the way. This big yellow cow right here?
Yeah.
Right now. You gotta keep stepping right now. Keep stepping right now. Step. 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 drive, step right through his eye. Drive, step right through his eye right there. Step up, drive up, drive up, drive up. Remember, wherever his eye's going, you go. Over his eye. Keep stepping up, keep driving up. Okay, now put your hand down. Use your feet right there. Left foot, look out the top. Come on, get over there. Come on. There, stop. Push your cows back over there. Hold on a second, kid. Hold on a second. Let me get these cows back over there. Right here. Charlie. Don't do that. Just keep stepping. Don't try not to stop. Okay? So whenever you stop, things just kind of die. Okay? And you kind of get nuts. You kind of get drive up right there. Drive right up right there. Keep driving up. Both, either one of those Charolais will be fine. The little Charolais will probably be a little bit better. Drive up right there. Drive up. Come on. Step up, step up, step up, step up, step up. Come on, you gotta step up. Step right to that cow's eye. Step up to that cow's eye. Drive him all the way up there. Drive him up. Keep driving him. See, you're wanting to cut him off. Just step right up to that cow's eye right there. Okay? Don't try to cut him off. That's flat now. Go ahead. Step up there. Step up to that cow's eye. Okay. Now step down. Good. Now wait. Step forward to the. You're out of here now. Get her all the way across there. Push her more this way. As she comes back to the right, push her with that left leg. Push her with your left leg. Now. Push her with your left leg. There you go. Good. Step up, push up, push up. Push up. Good, that's it. Push to the left foot. Good, set. Good, set. Good. Push up, push up. Not off the cow, push up. Straight with your left foot. Push with your left foot. Now, good, stop. Good girl. Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Push up more, more, more. Push up. There you go. Now wait. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Good, now quit. Good.